The 2022 Entegra Anthem 44D represents the top tier of American luxury motorcoach design. Built on the Spartan K2 raised rail chassis with a Cummins 450 horsepower diesel engine delivering effortless torque and confident power on every highway. Finished in Aqua Blue full-body paint, this original owner Anthem makes an immediate statement before you ever step inside. The polished exterior, stainless trim, Girard dual-pitched awnings, and massive pass-through storage all point to one thing. This coach was built for serious travel without compromise. Moving into the living area, the Metro interior package combines Stonewall Gray cabinetry, tapestry grigio tile flooring, and premium leather furnishings to create a residential atmosphere that feels more like a luxury condo than a motorhome. The theater seating faces a hidden televator with a Samsung QLED 4K Smart TV, while the booth dinette creates a dedicated dining space that keeps the living area open and functional. The kitchen was designed for extended stays and full-time travel, featuring solid surface countertops, a residential Whirlpool refrigerator with ice maker and water dispenser, induction cooktop, convection microwave, Fisher & Paykel dishwasher drawer, and a deep Blanco granite sink with elegant accent lighting throughout the backsplash and galley. As we continue into the rear suite, the bedroom features a king-size Sleep Number mattress, Samsung Smart TV, cedar-lined wardrobe, stacked Whirlpool washer and dryer, and a spa-inspired bathroom complete with porcelain tile shower, teakwood shower seat, skylight, and Aqua View water-saving system. Outside, the Anthem continues to impress with heated basement storage, a powered cargo tray, exterior refrigerator freezer, exterior Samsung QLED TV, WineGuard satellite system, integrated Wi-Fi and LTE connectivity, and every awning and slide topper you could want for comfortable outdoor living. The Entegra Anthem 44D is one of the most complete luxury diesel pushers ever produced, combining commercial-grade engineering with residential-level comfort in a package built for long-term ownership and serious travel. To view all the photos, see the MSRP and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the DSK